Nazareth,
Dagdagan mo pa na.
and for all the graces and blessings received, offered
Dito,
by
dito. Una ko,
Jenna
ibuhos
Marie
lahat dito.
Sultan.
Ilagay mo sa aking kamay.
Most intention for protection against evil, for peace, love, good family relationship,
Ang kiliti!
strength, wisdom, knowledge, good health, positivity, abundance of blessings every day.
Nagtuka-tuka lang sila
Touch the
sa
heart of my brother to be a
Ay,
good,
nagtuka sila sa kamay.
to be good, healing good mother, future good spouse, and positive
Nagpapagkain dito sa akin.
offered by
Agay, wag na. Sakit na, sakit na. Okay.
Mama Mary,
Ah, sige, ihagis na lang natin. Pakainin sila.
Patrick,
Sana, no, ang mga ibon.
and Lady of the Pilar, for
Wala
all
talaga
the graces,
silang mga
blessings
ano,
received, offered by
problema.
Carlo Glenn Joshua, Diosdado
Dahil
III,
maraming
and
tao.
Mariel Catherine.